Let's make tribal house. First let's set the tempo to somewhat around 126 BPM, and start by adding some punchy kicks. Some claps. And some hi-hats. Guys, in tribal house drums play as a main element, so let's add a lot of percussion samples. At the end of the fourth bar, I'll change the percussion to triplet form. Then I'll add some shakers. Some crashes. Now, to get more room in the mix, I'll pan these percussions to the left. And these to the right. And some closed hi-hats with swing. Now let's add a simple and repetitive bass line. I'll sidechain this using a limiter. And EQ to take off the highs. I'll layer a sub to this. And sidechain it. And add some EQ. Now we need some piano chords. I'll take off the lows. Add some reverb. And some delay. Then let's add some Arps. I'll sidechain this. And add some EQ, clear out the sound in the mix. I found this cool tribal vocal sample to add as atmosphere to the track. I'll just sidechain this. Let's loop this part for another 8 bars, and start working on the second half of the drop. Let's add offbeat synth. Some flute samples. And some pads for tension. Guys, since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's add the claps, the hi-hats, the pads, the vocal, some percussion, and the shakers. Then the kick and the bass after 8 bars. Let's add some exhausts when introducing new elements. and this tambourine transition too. At the build-up, I'll keep the bass, the piano, the pads and the percussion. And I'll change the percussion in the intro and the build-up so it won't have the triplet effect as in the drop. Then let's add some build-up drums. And some risers. Now let's copy the entire track and paste it behind the drop. And make some adjustments differ this from the first half. Finally, I'll add a high-pass filter on the master, and use it at the build-ups to make the build-ups thinner and make the drops sound bigger. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.